So look, it is really no secret that so many of you guys are still happy with the Galaxy Watch 4. And you know what? Rightly so. Especially if you are into that physical rotating bezel like me. Well look, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is really the only one that could pull me away from the Galaxy Watch 4. It's really the only one that kind of excites me in the new lineup. But wait, hang on. Personal opinions aside, what about these limitations of simple stuff that companies give us like watch faces? Why should we not get the new watch faces that are only available on the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Some of them are really nice, and just because we have last year's model doesn't mean we don't like the new watch faces, right? I'm glad you asked. There are two ways of getting them right now, right here. Number one is to update your wearable app for your Galaxy Watch 4 on your Galaxy phone. And once you do this, you should see all new watch faces that are exclusive as of today, that are exclusive to the Galaxy Watch 5. And you know what? You will see the download icon next to it. Once you press it, it will download, and after that you will see a small orange dot on the right top hand corner. Press on it to update your brand new Galaxy Watch 5 watch faces for your Galaxy Watch 4. However, some of you have reported that you can see them after you updated your wearable app. You can see the new watch faces, but you cannot download/update them. So there are some workaround in order to get this done. Some of you restarted the Galaxy Watch 4 and then it worked. Some had to do a hard reset or reinstall the wearable app, and it all worked fine after that. Please be aware that this is currently rolled out worldwide for every single Galaxy Watch 4 owner and user and wearable app owner, but without any particular schedule, meaning we don't know which country, which region is going to get it next. Number two is sideloading your watch faces to your Galaxy Watch 4, which is kind of more involved. It's a more involved way of doing this. You are installing these watch faces manually via an APK file that has been extracted by an XDA developer who has made this download public. All the details are in the description below. Peace.